In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your X, formerly Twitter, account private in just a few simple steps. If you want more control over who can see your posts, this is one of the easiest privacy settings you can change, and it only takes a minute. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X and log into the account you want to make private. Once you're on the home screen, look to the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see a More icon, usually shown as 3 dots. Click that icon to open the full menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, privacy options, and security settings. After that, click on Privacy and Safety. This section is all about controlling what other people can see and how your account behaves on the platform. Now, inside Privacy and Safety, choose Audience and Tagging. This is the specific area where you can manage who sees your posts and how your content is shared across X. Here, you'll see an option that says Protect Your Posts. Check the box next to it. Once this setting is enabled, your posts will no longer be public. Only your approved followers will be able to see the content you share, which adds an extra layer of privacy to your account. After you turn this on, X may ask you to confirm the change. Just accept it, and your account privacy settings will be updated. From this point on, if someone new wants to follow you, they'll need your approval before they can see your posts. That's really all there is to it. You've now made your X account private, and you've taken better control of your online privacy. This is a great setting if you want to share updates with a smaller audience, keep your posts more personal, or simply reduce visibility on your account. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.